Hey everybody, how's it going? This will probably be one of my last videos for a little while as I'm in the process of moving, but we will see you on the other side. This is my 20 long Senki Koi swordtail tank. There's the male. Just wanted to show you some of these little fry, if we can get it to focus. There we go. There are little guys everywhere and a couple big ones that have been growing up. There's one of them over there. My adults are getting pretty big. There's that smoke alarm, but I'm moving out, so who cares? Corey's. Hi guys. Here's a little fry. I'm pretty excited. I finally got fry, and there's a ton of them down in that Java moss. Alright, well there's a look at my Senki Koi sword fry. And I will see a lot of you in live streams. Have a good one, everybody.